I am folding the laundry.
I am folding the laundry.
I am ironing the clothes.
I am ironing the clothes.
I am taking out the trash.
I am taking out the trash.
I am drying the clothes.
I am drying the clothes.
I am changing the bed sheet.
I am changing the bed sheet.
I sweep the floor every morning.
I sweep the floor every morning.
She vacuums the living room daily.
She vacuums the living room daily.
I mop the kitchen after dinner.
I mop the kitchen after dinner.
He dusts the shelves every weekend.
He dusts the shelves every weekend.
She scrubs the bathroom tiles once a week.
She scrubs the bathroom tiles once a week.
I polish the wooden furniture monthly.
I polish the wooden furniture monthly.
I wash the dishes right after meals.
I wash the dishes right after meals.
She rinses the fruits before use.
She rinses the fruits before use.
I clean the windows every 2 weeks.
I clean the windows every 2 weeks.
I organize the pantry every week.
I organized the pantry every week.
I tidy the living room before guests arrived.
I tidy the living room before guests arrive.
I disinfect the doorknobs daily.
I disinfect the doorknobs daily.
I sweep the porch every evening.
I sweep the porch every evening.
He takes out the trash every night.
He takes out the trash every night.
I unload the dishwasher after breakfast.
I unload the dishwasher after breakfast.
She sorts the laundry by color.
She sorts the laundry by color.
She makes the bed after waking up.
She makes the bed after waking up.
He cooks dinner every night.
He cooks dinner every night.
I bake cookies every Friday.
I bake cookies every Friday.
He grills burgers on weekends.
He grills burgers on weekend.
I prepare lunch for kids every day.
I prepare lunch for kids every day.
I fry eggs for breakfast.
I fry eggs for breakfast.
He whisks the batter for pancakes.
He whisks the batter for pancakes.
I chop vegetables for dinner.
I chop vegetables for dinner.
She slices fruits for a snack.
She slices fruits for a snack. I mix ingredients for a salad.
I mix ingredients for a salad. I set the table before dinner.
I set the table before dinner.
I clean the table after eating.
I clean the table after eating.
He stores leftover in the fridge.
He stores leftover in the fridge.
I organize the closet twice a year.
I organize the closet twice a year.
I wipe down the bathroom mirror daily.
I wipe down the bathroom mirror daily.
He shakes out the rugs weekly.
He shakes out the rugs weekly.
She hangs clothes on the line.
She hangs clothes on the line.
I unpack groceries after shopping.
I unpack groceries after shopping.
I defrost the freezer every few months.
I defrost the freezer every few months.
She empties the vacuum canister after use.
She empties the vacuum canister after use.
He fixes the leaky faucet.
He fixes the leaky faucet.
I replace the light bulbs when they burn out.
I replace the light bulbs when they burn out.
I sweep up the leaves in the yard.
I sweep up the leaves in the yard.
I clean up the kitchen after cooking.
I clean up the kitchen after cooking.
She feeds the dog every evening.
She feeds the dog every evening.
He bathes the dog once a month.
He bathes the dog once a month.
I sweep off the deck after storms.
I sweep off the deck after storms.
She hoses down the patio in the summer.
She hoses down the patio in the summer.
I check the smoke detector monthly.
I check the smoke detector monthly.
I tightens the screws on the cabinet door.
I tightens the screws on the cabinet door.
I rearrange the living room furniture for a fresh look.
I rearrange the living room furniture for fresh look.
I wipe up spills immediately.
I wipe up spills immediately.
He refills the soap dispensers when they are low.
He refills the soap dispensers when they are low. I vacuum out the car once a month.
I vacuum out the car once a month. She scrapes off burnt food from pans.
She scrapes off burnt food from pans.
I rake the leaves in the yard in the fall.
I rake the leaves in the yard in the fall.
He folds up the blanket after watching TV.
He folds up the blanket after watching TV.
I soak the dishes before washing them.
I soak the dishes before washing them.
He trims the hedges in the front yard.
He trims the hedges in the front yard.
He dusts off the ceiling fans every season.
He dusts off the ceiling fans every season.
I sweep under the furniture to get rid of dust.
I sweep under the furniture to get rid of dust.
She degreases the stovetop after cooking.
She degreases the stovetop after cooking.
He unclogs the sink when it's slow.
He unclogs the sink when it's slow.
I launder the towels every few days.
I launder the towels every few days.